In this video, I'll walk through collections in TraceRMM. Collections are groups of devices. They help you organize agents, filter device lists, and quickly target specific sets of machines. TraceRMM has three types of collections: dynamic collections, static collections, and on-demand collections. We'll start with dynamic collections. Dynamic collections are rule-based groups. Devices are added automatically when they match the criteria you define. To create one, go to Collections, then Dynamic Collections, and click Create Dynamic Collection. From here, you can give the collection a name and optional description. Next, add your conditions. A condition is a rule that checks a device property. For example, you can match devices where the client name contains a specific client, where the OS contains Windows, where the host name contains a value, or where installed software contains something like Chrome. The match option controls how the rules work. If you choose all conditions, the device has to match every rule. That is in logic. If you choose any condition, the device only has to match one of the rules. That is OR logic. As conditions are added, the preview table updates automatically. This lets you confirm which devices will be included before saving the collection. Once the collection is saved, it appears in the collections list. Selecting it shows the details, including the collection type, number of rules, current matches, conditions, and matching devices. Because this is dynamic, the membership can change automatically over time. If a device starts matching the rule, it appears in the collection. If it stops matching the rule, it drops out. Next is static collections. Static collections are manually managed. Instead of building rules, you create the collection and manually add devices to it. This is useful for fixed groups, like test devices, rollout groups, VIP machines, or a project-specific set of endpoints. In the video, a static collection is created, a device is added to it, and the collection shows the current members. Static collections do not update automatically. Devices only move in or out when you manually add or remove them. The last type is on-demand collections. On-demand collections are temporary rule-based searches. They work like dynamic collections, but they do not save the collection. This is useful when you need to quickly find devices, review matching results, or export a filtered list without creating another permanent collection. For example, you might search for host names that contain trace, devices with a specific operating system, or machines that match a software condition. The matching devices appear immediately in the table, and you can use that result set without saving it. So the main difference is simple. Dynamic collections are saved rule-based groups. Static collections are saved manual groups. On-demand collections are temporary rule-based searches. That is how collections work in TraceRMM.